Hello and welcome. My name is Eddie and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. In this course, we are going to use Unity to build a complete 2D game from start to finish. The name of our game will be called 2D Jumper Lion. We are going to see how to implement the menu system, and we are going to see how to add menus to our game and to move from one menu to the other. We are going to create game manager controllers to manage our game. We are going to add these and so many other functionalities like the menu system, the score and the points system. We are going to see how to instantiate random obstacles and random enemies. We are going to write our code using C#. And we are also going to use the Unity animation system. So right here we have a preview of the game we are going to build. On the first menu or on the first scene, when the game is started, the user will be able to see the scene. So from this scene, they click on the button, it will take them to the start menu scene. From the start menu scene, we just need to click or tap, then we'll be taken to the gameplay scene. Right here on the gameplay scene, if I click on this pause, it will pause the game and display the pause menu. On the pause menu, I have the resume button and the exit button. If the user clicks on this resume button, the game will continue from where it stopped. But for the exit button, this will only function or work once we are able to build our game for either PC or mobile. So once I resume the game will continue. We are going to implement the enemy instantiation and the obstacle instantiation. We are also going to implement the player death functionality. Also, you can see right here we have the score, the points and the lives. We are going to implement all of these, and also once the player lives get to 0, we are going to reload the game. So once the player's life, right now you can see it's 0, we have the game over scene. We can click on the play again, it's going to restart the game. We are going to implement all of these functionalities. So when I resume the game, our aim will be able to destroy enemies and pass through the obstacles. So if I try the game out now, the player will be able to shoot and destroy enemies. So these are the functionalities we are going to implement in this game.